Namaskar. Myself Suren Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you to our weekly weather discussion program today, that is 9th March 2023. Let's start the presentation. This is the weather system and rainfall during the week. Here you can see that 2WD was affected over plains of northwest India and one induced cyclone circulation over northwest India, and a trough in central India causes good rainfall amount over central adjoining West India and western Himalayan region. And due to easterlies, the rainfall was occurred over northeast and adjoining East India during the week. This is the significant weather under the influence of 2WD and the associated induced cyclone circulation. Isolated to scattered rainfall or snowfall occurred over western Himalayan region during most day of the week. Isolated rainfall along the thunderstorm also occur over Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat during second half of the week. And due to the trough, south Konkan to north Madhya Maharashtra at lower tropospheric level, second half of the week isolated rainfall along the with thunderstorm occurred over Maharashtra. And heat wave at isolated places had occurred over coastal Karnataka on 3 days during the week. And hailstorm also occurred at isolated places over southeast Rajasthan, Gujarat region on 2 days, over Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Maharashtra and Saurashtra Kutch on 1 day each during the week. And the temperature scenario, the highest temperature was recorded 40.2 at Karwar, coastal Karnataka on 4th March, and the lowest minimum temperature had been recorded 9.7 at Aurangabad, Marathwada on 8th March 2023 during the week. This is the rainfall scenario. First figure shows the for week which is start from 22nd to 8th. Here you can see that entire country has negative departure. The maximum was over southern peninsula, where is 97% negative departure, and second one is the east and northeast 80%, and the northwest is 64%, and central India is 33%. And the pre-monsoon season is started from 1st March. Here the same scenario is also shown in figure second. The and country as a whole, the departure is minus 70% till today. This is the synoptic system of today. The WD as a trough runs roughly along longitude 77 east to the north of 23, and the cyclone circulation lies over northern parts of Madhya Pradesh in low tropospheric level. And the forecast and warning of today, due to the WD and the sizer, thunderstorm with gusty wind 30 to 40 at isolated places over North Madhya Pradesh, with lightning over Uttarakhand, Haryana, Northeast Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh on day 1, and hailstorm also Uttarakhand in day 1, and the heat wave condition over Konkan Goa and coastal Karnataka on day 1 also. But from tomorrow it likely to reduce over central or northwest India, while East India is likely to affect due to easterlies, the thunderstorm, lightning with gusty wind in isolated places very likely over Jharkhand, and with the last thunderstorm with lightning over Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and the heat wave condition are also likely over South Konkan and coastal Karnataka on day 2. On day 3, it is likely to reduce. Only GWB likely to experience thunderstorm with lightning. On day 4, due to fresh WD, the thunderstorm activity is likely to increase or likely to again start over Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. And day 5, that is 13 March, it is increase spatial and intensity. It is covered over Uttarakhand also and the Gujarat or Madhya Maharashtra. Now the warning for the next 1 week. Rainfall Here you can see that first part of the figure, this is the anomaly or this is the normal. Here you can see, as I already told, due to the WD and cyclone circulation, isolated light rainfall activity with thunderstorm over Uttarakhand, South UP, Northeast Rajasthan, North Madhya Pradesh on 9th, over Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha during 9 to 11, over South Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh during to 9 to 15th. With this, thunderstorm with hail storm also likely at isolated places over Uttarakhand on 9th. Thunderstorm with gusty wind speed 30 to 40 over North Madhya Pradesh on 9th and Jharkhand on 10th. I already discussed about that. And due to the fresh WD, which is effect 12th of March over Western Himalayan region, gives isolated to scattered rainfall with thunderstorm during 12th to 15th over Western Himalayan region and over adjoining plain of Northwest India 14 and 15th. With this, light isolated to scattered rainfall very likely over Andaman Nicobar Island during the second half of the week. Rest of the country, no significant weather likely to happen during the week. And this is the week 2 under the WD, influence of WD and associate induced cyclone circulation. Isolated to scattered rainfall with thunderstorm likely over northwest and central India during some days of the week. And due to the trough over East India and cyclone circulation over southern peninsular India, isolated to scattered rainfall with thunderstorm likely over northwest and central India during the some days of the week over East and Northeast India and over south peninsular India during the some days of the week. Overall, rainfall activity is likely to be above normal over all the region of the country. Here you can see also in that second figure that anomaly shows that good rainfall amount over the country during the week. And now the forecast for the maximum temperature. This figure for bias corrected T maximum. And second one is the anomaly of the temperature. Now the scenario is today the maximum temperature in the range of 37 to 39 over many parts of Goa, coastal Karnataka, at isolated places over Saurashtra, Kutch and Vidarbha. 35 to 37 degrees centigrade over many parts of Vidarbha, Gujarat region, some parts of Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Konkan, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and isolated places over Rayalaseema and West Madhya Pradesh. And in the range 30 to 35 over rest parts of the country except Western Himalayan region and part of Haryana, East Rajasthan, Bihar, Northeast India. And this maximum temperature above normal by 4 to 6 degrees centigrade over many parts of Jammu division, coastal Karnataka, some parts of Goa, above normal by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade over many parts of Punjab, some parts of Kerala, Konkan, Gujarat state, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Gangetic West Bengal and Northeast India. These are below normal by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade over many parts of Bihar, some parts of Telangana, Rayalaseema and near normal over the rest of the country. For the forecast of Northwest India, gradual rise change in minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade, very likely during first half of the week and fall by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter. And the West India, no significant change in maximum temperature, very likely during the next 2 days and gradual rise by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade thereafter. And the Central India, gradual rise change in minimum maximum temperature by 2 to 4 degree, very likely most days of the week. Heat wave condition very likely to occur at isolated places over South Konkan, Goa, coastal Karnataka on 9th and 10th. And thereafter, no significant heat wave condition likely to prevail over the country during the week. And this is the week 2 for the maximum temperature. Here you can see in the figure also the Central India and adjoining India is below normal. So no heat wave condition is likely to prevail over the country except the temperature is above normal over Western Himalayan region. Otherwise, rest of the country no significant even and temperature is below normal. The maximum temperature very likely to below normal by 2 3 degrees centigrade over the most part of the country except Western Himalayan region, where it is likely to be near normal or above normal. So, no significant heat wave condition likely over any part of the country during the week. You can visit our website imdmosam.imd.gov.in as well as many social media platforms as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, blog. Including this, for you can use latest update and warning our mobile app as Mosam app, Damni app, and Meghdoot app. Thank you very much, all of you, to listening me. Namaskar.